Here it is, 1 key lime. What we're going to do is roll it like this to wake up the juice in the key lime. All right, guys, in the palm of your hand, just give it a little bit of run. Secondly, what you're going to do, give it a cut into half, and this is what you get right there. Then secondly, get your glass and squeeze out the lime juice into your glass like this. Now, you can do this at home, very easy and simple, in the morning before a breakfast. And I'm telling you, I'm using the whole of key lime. Why? Because I don't want to be saving the rest of the key lime, guys, to be honest with you. All right, now once you do that, get your cayenne pepper. I'm going to use rough about half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Get back your lime juice. Put in it and mix it like this. Once you mix it, get your water and pour it in like this. All right. And mix it. And what you want to do, drink cayenne pepper with lemon juice first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. You will see great work. Drink it 2 times a day is also good. 1 in the morning, 1 in the evening. And trust me, this will change your life. All right. Thank you so much for watching. Leave your comments and tell me exactly what do you think about this one. And I will be seeing you with more recipes and more ideas. Have a great day from Healthy Side. Bye-bye.